Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a search on Charleston Roofing, which is the #1 keyword search for folks looking for their roofing needs in the Charleston area. And this is what comes up on the first page. Of course, there's always some ads at the top. This is what we call the map pack. Then you get into your organic rankings, and you may recognize some of these competitors of yours. Charleston Roof. This is actually just a directory. Then you got Baker Roofing and Charleston Roofs and Windows. And there's some others. I was looking for yours. Found you on page 4, and I believe it's a little ways down, Port City Roofing. So went to your site and looked at it, which looks nice with the pictures, with your name prominently there. And, aesthetically very nice. It's always good to have some videos. Hopefully you've got the image tags in there so that will help your ranking as well. So the idea here is 80% of all searches or new searches choose one of the top 3 search results, which were back on page 1. So we would like to get you on page 1 because nobody really goes and looks beyond page 1 for services. And so this would bring you a lot more customers and help you out a lot. And I just want to show you a couple of things that you can do on your own on your site to help your rankings improve. There's a lot of things that go into getting your rankings to improve. Google looks at trust mainly. They want to trust your site, and there's several things that go into that. One of the things is your heading tags, which is right, yours is right here. We put it into this analyzer and it comes up, shows Charleston's preferred roofing company. And that does sound good to you and me. However, Google, when people are looking for Charleston Roofing, they want it to be congruent with that search term. So what would really help you with your ranking is to make that Charleston Roofing and then put your name after that. The other thing that we look at is your metadata tag or your title tag, and this is what reads in the blue line on in the search results. So yours is reading Port City Roofing in Charleston. You'd want that to be congruent also with the heading tag to say Charleston Roofing, and then have one of these vertical lines there after Charleston Roofing, and have Port City Roofing after that, your company name. You've got 72 characters here to play with, but the priority would be Charleston Roofing to match the keyword that people are searching, and then your company name. If you've got room, you may even want to put your phone number. The black line is just a description, so you can put what you'd like in there. But those are just a couple of things that would boost your rankings that you could do yourself, or we'll be happy to do them for you. We do it all the time for customers all over the United States, and be glad to do that for you, or you can do it yourself. So just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you have a good day. Thanks.